Hello, Lolo Eli. Punta tayo sa Santuario.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tita.
November 1, 2025 naman. Kagabi nandun kami sa partida. Si Sadie wala.
Because I was in a sleepover with my best friend.
Best friend over family.
Your first family, ah.
Like your best friend's family. Di ba news na?
Saan ba entrance?
They're not recording. Oh, you are recording.
Oh, it's not.
We're here? It's not the cemetery you go last time. That? Are we going there, ba? Huh? Are we going there, ba?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yung kadila, baka makalimutan. Anak yung kadila, saka yung posporo. Nasaan?
What is this?
Nandyan. Nandyan lang yun.
Wala. Oh no, here comes the airplane.
Andito na tayo, Lolo Eli. Kumain tayo sa CRV. Para lang maalala mo kung ano ginawa natin. Kumain tayo sa CRV and then nagdala tayo ng gamit.
Daddy, can you tell ate?
At may nagtitinda sa tabi namin. No!
Mommy said okay. Daddy, excuse me. Daddy, excuse
Taas ng frame per second ko. Para siyang movie.
Pero pa dito parang kutsara.
Daddy, ask her. Nagpura.
Sige, stop.
Why are you
I'm not playing. You're playing. Stop. Stop.
Bulas ako.
Kasi hindi man eh.
Ang dami mo. Daddy, I need 20. 20 lang. 20 lang. 20 lang. Do what?
100.